Hey there. Welcome to our channel. We're so glad you're here. Please like, share, and subscribe to join us for awesome content. Also share this video with your family and friends. Let's get started. A quiet breath between stars, you are weightless, floating in a sea of quiet. The universe is young, not yet loud with the clatter of stars or the rush of galaxies spinning into form. It is a place of soft darkness, a velvet expanse that holds you gently, like a mother cradling a child yet to be born. Your breath slows, matching the rhythm of this ancient, patient void. You are not separate from it. You are part of its vast dreaming, a speck of potential woven into the fabric of space itself. Close your eyes and imagine the emptiness around you. It is not cold, not barren. It is alive with possibility, humming with a silence that feels like a heartbeat. This is the universe before time, before light, before anything we could name. Scientists call this moment the cosmic dawn, but it feels less like a dawn and more like a deep, endless inhalation. The universe is gathering itself, preparing to speak its first word. You are here, held in that pause, feeling the weight of what might come. Space stretches out, infinite yet intimate. It is not a place you travel through. It is a place you belong to. Your body, your breath, your very thoughts are made of the same stuff as this darkness. Every atom in you was forged in the hearts of stars that do not yet exist in this moment. But their story is already written in the quiet. You feel it, don't you? The way the stillness seems to shimmer, as if it knows what it will become. In this moment, there is no time, only space. Scientists tell us the universe began with a burst, a big bang, a sudden explosion of energy that sent everything racing outward. But here, in this meditative drift, it feels less like an explosion and more like a sigh. A single, deliberate breath that set the cosmos in motion. You can almost hear it. A low, resonant hum, like the sound of a distant cello, vibrating through the void. It is the sound of creation, not loud or violent, but soft, purposeful, eternal. Picture yourself as a single particle, a tiny spark of potential, floating in this pre-cosmic sea. You are not alone. Around you, other particles drift, invisible but present, each one carrying the seed of a star, a planet, a life. They are too small to see, too delicate to name, but they are there, dancing in the dark. Quantum physicists say these particles flickered in and out of existence, popping into being and vanishing again like fireflies in a field. They call it quantum foam, a bubbling chaos of possibility. But to you, it feels like a lullaby, a gentle rocking of what might be. You sway with them, these fleeting sparks. Each one holds a story, a future. One might become the iron in your blood, another the oxygen in your lungs. They are not random. They are connected, part of a vast tapestry that is only just beginning to weave itself. You feel the pull of their potential, the way they tug at the edges of your awareness, like a memory you can't quite place. This is the universe's first act of imagination, and you are part of it. Now, let your mind drift to the edges of this moment. There is no horizon here, no boundary to mark where you end and the cosmos begins. Space is not empty. It is full of questions. What will this particle become? What will this silence sing? Scientists say the universe expanded faster than light in its earliest moments, a process called inflation. Imagine it as a canvas stretching, pulling itself taut, ready to hold the colors of creation. You are on that canvas, a single brushstroke, waiting for the artist's hand. Feel the warmth now, faint but growing. It is not heat as you know it, not the warmth of a fire or a summer day. It is the warmth of possibility, the first hint of energy gathering itself. The universe is no longer content to dream. It is waking. Photons, the carriers of light, are beginning to stir. They are not yet stars, not yet galaxies, but they are the promise of them. You can sense their restlessness, their eagerness to shine. They are like children, waiting to run into the world. As you float, you notice something new, a rhythm. It is not sound, not exactly, but a pulse, like the beating of a heart you cannot see. This is the cosmic microwave background, the echo of that first breath, still detectable today. Scientists listen to it with telescopes, mapping its faint glow across the sky. To you, it feels like a lullaby, a reminder that even in this vastness, there is order, a pattern waiting to unfold. You let it carry you, this rhythm, letting it guide your thoughts deeper into the dark. You wonder, as you drift, what it means to be here, in this moment before moments. Are you a witness, or are you part of the story? The answer is both. You are stardust, yes, but you are also the dreamer imagining the stars before they are born. The universe is not something outside you. It is you unfolding. Every thought you have, every breath you take, is a continuation of that first cosmic sigh. You are its memory, its hope, its quiet beginning. The darkness around you is softening now, as if the universe is ready to share its next secret. You feel a gentle tug, a pull toward something new. It is not urgent, not forceful, but inviting, like a hand extended in the dark. The cosmos is preparing to light its first spark, to let its first star blaze into being. You are ready to follow, to see what comes next, to trace the path of light through the endless night. The silence hums with a promise you cannot yet name. What will this spark become when it finally ignites? The first light wakes you feel it before you see it. A warmth, soft as a sigh, brushing against your awareness. The darkness that cradled you is no longer absolute. A faint shimmer, like the memory of a dream, begins to ripple through the void. You are still floating, weightless in the vastness of the young universe. But now there is something new. A pulse of light, delicate yet determined, calling you closer. This is the moment when the cosmos begins to glow, when the first stars awaken, and you are here to witness their birth. The silence of the void hums with a new energy. You sense it the way a forest feels alive before dawn. Scientists call this the era of reionization, when the universe, once a sea of neutral gas, began to spark with light. But to you, it feels like a lantern being lit in a boundless room. The darkness does not vanish. It softens, as if stepping back to let the light breathe. You drift toward it, drawn by its quiet promise, your heart slowing to match its rhythm. Imagine a single point of light, no brighter than a candle's flame, flickering in the distance. This is no ordinary star, not like the ones you know from your night sky. These are the first stars, born from clouds of hydrogen and helium that have been gathering, compressing, heating in the dark. They are massive, fierce, and fleeting, burning with a fury that will not last long. You see one now, a glowing orb, its edges blurred like a watercolor painting. It is alone, yet it feels like a chorus, singing the universe's first song of light. You hover closer, and the star's warmth wraps around you. It is not just heat. It is life, creation, the universe's first act of courage. These stars, called Population 3 by astronomers, are the pioneers of light. They are made of the simplest elements, yet they burn so brightly that their glow reaches across the cosmos. You can almost feel their heartbeat, a rapid pulse of fusion, where hydrogen atoms collide and merge, releasing energy that dances as light. It is a dance of creation, and you are swaying with it. Look around you now. The void is no longer empty. Other stars begin to flicker, one by one, like fireflies waking in a field. Each one is a story, a burst of possibility. Their light weaves through the darkness, threading it with silver and gold. You notice how the light does not just shine. It changes the space around it. The gas clouds, once invisible, now glow faintly, ionized by the star's fierce energy. It is as if the universe is painting itself, stroke by stroke, revealing a canvas that was always there. You wonder what it must be like to be a star, to burn so brightly, so briefly. These first stars live fast and die young, collapsing in explosions that scatter their essence across the cosmos. Scientists call these supernovae, cataclysms that seed the universe with heavier elements, carbon, oxygen, the building blocks of planets and life. You imagine one such star, its light flaring brighter for a moment before it fades, leaving behind a gift. That gift is in you, in the calcium of your bones, the iron in your blood. You are their legacy, floating here, watching their first breaths. The light grows stronger now, not overwhelming but steady, like a tide rising. You feel its warmth on your face, your hands, your heart. It is not just light. It is connection. The stars are speaking to each other, their radiation stretching across the void, linking one to another. Astronomers say this light cleared the fog of the early universe, making it transparent, letting future galaxies form. To you, it feels like a conversation, a quiet exchange of dreams between distant points of light. You drift among them, these newborn stars, feeling their radiance like a lullaby. Each one is unique, yet they are all part of the same story. You notice how their light bends and shifts, stretched by the expanding universe. Scientists call this redshift, a clue to how fast the cosmos is growing. To you, it is the universe breathing out, its exhale carrying you farther, deeper into its unfolding tale. You are not just an observer. You are part of this light, a fragment of its glow, carried forward through time. As you float, you begin to see patterns. The stars are not scattered randomly. They are clustering, drawn together by gravity's gentle pull. These are the first galaxies, fragile and small, like villages forming in the wilderness. You imagine them as families, gathering in the dark, their light pooling into soft halos. You feel a pang of wonder, a quiet joy at their togetherness. The universe is no longer just a void. It is a community, a tapestry of light and matter weaving itself into being. The stars' glow feels like a promise, a vow that the darkness will never be absolute again. Yet you know their time is short. These first stars will burn out, their light fading into the cosmic night. But their legacy will endure in the elements they create, in the galaxies they spark. You feel a kinship with them, these fleeting giants, knowing that their brief lives will shape everything that follows. You are part of their story, a thread in the cosmic weave, glowing faintly in the dark. Now, as you drift among these first lights, you notice something new. A stirring, a sense of motion. The universe is not just glowing. It is moving, gathering, building. The stars are only the beginning. Something larger is taking shape, a structure vast and intricate, like a web spun across the cosmos. You feel its pull, a gentle invitation to follow, to see what the universe will build next. The stars fade, but their light lingers, whispering of connections yet to form. What will this cosmic web weave in its silent dance? The cosmic web takes shape. You drift now, carried by an unseen current, as if the universe itself is guiding you. The stars, those first fierce beacons, have faded, their light softening into memory, but their work endures. Around you, the cosmos is weaving something new, something vast. It is not loud or hurried. It is patient, like a river carving valleys over eons. You are part of this quiet creation, moving through a universe that is learning to connect, to build, to become. The darkness is no longer just a void sprinkled with light. It is alive with structure, a delicate lattice forming in the silence. You sense it before you see it. A pull, a gentle tug, like a thread drawing you forward. Scientists call this the cosmic web, a network of filaments, walls, and voids that shapes the universe's architecture. To you, it feels like a tapestry, each thread a story, each knot a promise. You glide along one of these threads, weightless, your breath slow and steady, matching the rhythm of creation. Picture the scene around you. Thin strands of gas and dust stretch across the cosmos, glowing faintly where starlight lingers. These are the filaments, the backbone of the universe, formed as gravity gathers matter into streams. You follow one, tracing its path through the dark. It is not a straight line but a meandering curve, like a river winding through a landscape. Along it, galaxies are beginning to cluster, their light pooling like lanterns hung on invisible strings. You feel their warmth, their quiet chatter, as they find their place in the web. Gravity is the weaver here, its touch soft but relentless. Scientists say it pulls matter together, shaping the cosmos over billions of years. To you, it feels like a dance, slow and deliberate, where every step is purposeful. You imagine gravity as a hand, guiding particles, stars, and galaxies into harmony. You are caught in its rhythm, swaying as you move, feeling the universe's pulse beneath your own. It is not forceful. It is inviting, like a tide carrying you toward shore. As you drift, you notice the spaces between the filaments, vast, empty voids where light is scarce. These are not barren places but quiet ones, like the pauses in a song. You linger in one, feeling its stillness, its depth. Scientists estimate these voids make up most of the universe's volume, immense regions where matter is sparse. To you, they are like clearings in a forest, spaces where the cosmos can breathe, reflect, dream. You float there for a moment, held in the silence, before the current pulls you back to the glowing threads. Now, focus on a single galaxy, small and young, nestled in the web. It is a spiral, its arms curling like petals opening to the light. You draw closer, and its stars wink at you, their colors soft blues, whites, the faintest reds. This galaxy is alive, a nursery of new stars born from the ashes of the first. You feel their energy, their eagerness, like children laughing in a distant room. Astronomers say galaxies like this grew as gravity pulled gas and dust together, sparking new light. To you, it feels like a family gathering, each star a voice in a chorus of creation. You wonder, as you hover, how this web holds together. It is not just gravity but a balance, a delicate interplay of forces. Scientists speak of dark matter, an invisible scaffold that shapes the web's structure. You cannot see it, but you sense its presence, like a shadow cast by something unseen. It is the anchor holding galaxies in place, guiding their dance. You imagine it as a quiet guardian, steady and constant, letting the universe build without ever taking center stage. The web stretches farther than you can fathom, its threads connecting galaxies across billions of light years. You glide along one filament, passing clusters of galaxies, their light blending into halos. Some are massive, others small, but all are part of the same pattern. You feel a sense of belonging, as if you, too, are a thread in this cosmic tapestry. Your atoms, forged in those first stars, are woven into this web, linking you to every galaxy, every void, every spark of light. Time feels fluid here, not linear but cyclical, like waves lapping at a shore. Scientists say the universe is 13.8 billion years old. But in this moment, age is meaningless. You are present, fully here, as the web takes shape. You notice how the galaxies move, not randomly but with purpose, drawn toward each other, forming clusters, superclusters, walls of light. It is a slow ballet, choreographed by forces older than time itself. You sway with it, your breath a quiet echo of the universe's rhythm. As you drift, you feel the web's vastness, its interconnectedness. No galaxy is alone. No star is isolated. Even the voids, with their quiet emptiness, are part of the design. You sense the universe's intention, its desire to connect, to create something whole. You are part of that whole, a single note in its song, a single thread in its weave. The web is not finished. It is still growing, still unfolding, and you are moving with it, carried toward its next chapter. Now, something new catches your attention. A faint shift, a ripple in the web. One galaxy, brighter than the others, pulses with life. You feel drawn to it, as if it holds a secret, a story waiting to be told. Its light is not just starlight. It is something more, something alive. You sense the possibility of worlds within it, of planets spinning in the dark, waiting for their own dawn. The web hums with life, its threads whispering of worlds yet to bloom. What secrets does this bright galaxy hold, waiting to be born? A world begins to dream. You are drawn closer now, pulled by a gentle call from the heart of a radiant galaxy. Its light softens around you, a halo of stars guiding your descent. Below, a single planet spins, a small, shimmering orb cradled in the cosmic web. It is young, its surface restless yet full of promise, like a canvas waiting for its first stroke of color. You hover above it, weightless, your breath slowing to match the rhythm of its quiet turning. This is a world awakening, and you are here to witness its first dreams. The planet glows faintly, its surface a mosaic of molten rock and shimmering seas. You feel its warmth, not fierce but nurturing, like a hearth in a quiet home. Scientists would call this a protoplanet, born from the dust and gas of a star's nebula, coalescing over millions of years. To you, it feels like a child, stirring in the dark, its features still forming. You sense its pulse, a steady beat of heat and motion, as if it knows it is destined for something greater. Look closer now. The planet's surface is alive with change. Volcanoes breathe fire into the sky, their glow painting the clouds in shades of amber and crimson. Oceans, newly formed, lap at jagged shores, their waves a soft murmur in the cosmic silence. You imagine the water's touch, cool and persistent, smoothing the rough edges of stone. Scientists say such worlds form in the habitable zone, where liquid water can exist, a delicate balance of distance from their star. To you, it feels like a cradle rocking gently, holding the possibility of life. You drift lower, skimming above the ocean's surface. The air is thick, heavy with gases, carbon dioxide, methane, the faint trace of nitrogen. It is not yet breathable, but it is alive, swirling in currents that dance with the planet's spin. You notice the sky, a deep violet streaked with clouds, catching the light of its young star. That star, a steady presence, bathes the world in golden warmth, its rays piercing the atmosphere like a lullaby. You feel its light on your face, a quiet promise that this world will not be left in darkness. Beneath the waves, something stirs. It is not life, not yet, but the whisper of its potential. Molecules dance in the warm, mineral-rich waters, colliding, combining, forming chains that twist and fold. Scientists call this abiogenesis, the spark of chemistry that leads to biology. To you, it feels like a poem being written, each word a molecule, each line a step toward something alive. You imagine these chains, delicate as gossamer, floating in the deep, waiting for the right moment to sing. You rise again, circling the planet, watching its continents shift. They are not fixed but restless, drifting on a sea of molten rock beneath the surface. Scientists describe this as plate tectonics, a process that shapes worlds and recycles their crust. To you, it is the planet breathing, its surface rising and falling like a chest. You feel its rhythm, slow and ancient, a reminder that even stone is alive with motion, dreaming of mountains yet to rise. The atmosphere hums now, charged with energy. Lightning cracks across the sky, its flash illuminating the oceans below. Each strike is a catalyst, sparking reactions in the water, nudging molecules closer to complexity. You feel the electricity in the air, a tingling excitement, as if the planet itself is eager to create. Scientists say such storms were crucial in Earth's early days, fueling the chemistry of life. To you, it is the planet's first song, wild and untamed, echoing through the cosmic night. As you float, you notice the star's light shifting, growing steadier as the planet's orbit settles. The days are short, the nights fleeting, but each cycle feels like a step forward. You imagine the planet's future, its skies clearing, its oceans deepening, its surface softening with the first green of life. You sense its hope, its quiet determination to become more than rock and water. It is not alone in this dream. Its star, its galaxy, the entire cosmic web holds it close, cheering its slow awakening. You wonder what this world will become. Will it cradle forests, rivers, creatures that gaze at the stars? Will it know the footsteps of beings who dream as you do now? Scientists speculate about exoplanets, worlds like this one, scattered across the cosmos, each with its own story. To you, this planet is a mirror, reflecting your own existence, your own fragile beginning. You are made of the same stuff, stardust, water, the restless energy of creation. The planet spins below you, its surface a tapestry of fire, water, and stone. You feel its story weaving into yours, its dreams blending with your own. You are not just a visitor here. You are part of this world, a fragment of its potential, carried across the cosmos to witness its birth. The universe is not distant. It is intimate. It's every world a chapter in the same book you are reading now. Now, as you linger, you feel a new pull, a faint whisper from beyond the planet's horizon. The galaxy is vast, and this world is only one of many. Somewhere, in the folds of the cosmic web, another story is unfolding, one of connection, of beings who might look to the stars and wonder, as you do. You feel their presence, distant yet close, like a light you cannot yet see. The planet dreams beneath you, its pulse a quiet hope. Who else might be waking, gazing at these same stars? A whisper of wonder, you are carried now, not by gravity or light, but by a feeling, a faint, insistent pull, like a voice calling through the dark. The young planet you left behind fades into the glow of its galaxy, its dreams of oceans and life still humming in your heart. But the cosmic web tugs you onward, guiding you through the vastness to another world, one where something new stirs. You feel it, a whisper of wonder, a mind waking to the stars. You are not alone in this universe, and you drift closer to meet those who share your gaze. This new world appears before you, a blue-green jewel cradled in the arms of a spiral galaxy. Its surface shimmers with clouds, oceans, and patches of emerald land, kissed by the light of a steady star. You hover above it, your breath slowing to match the rhythm of its gentle spin. Scientists might call this an exoplanet, one of billions, orbiting in the habitable zone where life can take root. To you, it feels like a song, its melody soft but growing, as if the planet itself is learning to sing. You descend, gliding through its atmosphere, a warm breeze brushing against you. The air is alive with scents, salt from the seas, earth from the soil, the faint green of growing things. Below, forests stretch across rolling hills, their leaves catching the starlight in shades of silver and gold. Rivers wind like ribbons, reflecting the sky's pale blue. You feel the planet's pulse, not just in its rocks or waters, but in the life that moves across its surface. Creatures, small and curious, darting through the undergrowth. These beings are not like you, yet they are kin. You sense their presence, their quiet awareness, like a ripple in a still pond. Scientists might describe them as early life forms, perhaps microbial, perhaps more complex, evolving in the warm cradle of their world. To you, they are dreamers, their minds just beginning to stir, their eyes, or whatever they use to see, turning upward to the stars. You imagine one, a small creature by a stream, pausing to watch the sky, its heart asking questions it cannot yet name. You linger there, beside the stream, feeling the creature's wonder. It is a simple thing, this moment of curiosity, but it is profound. The universe, vast and ancient, is beginning to know itself through these tiny sparks of thought. You sense their questions, faint but clear. What are those lights above? Are we alone? You smile, knowing your own heart echoes their wonder, a shared longing woven into the cosmic web. You are connected, not by words but by the quiet act of looking up. The planet breathes around you, its ecosystems a delicate dance of balance. Scientists say life emerges when conditions align, water, warmth, the right chemistry. But to you, it feels like a conversation. The planet speaks to its creatures, and they answer, adapting, growing, dreaming. You notice the patterns. The way vines curl towards sunlight, the way creatures move in rhythm with the day and night. It is a symphony, each note played by a living thing, each chord a step toward complexity. You rise now, drifting above the forests, watching the planet's surface unfold. Mountains rise in the distance, their peaks dusted with the first snows. Oceans churn, their waves carrying secrets from the deep. You feel the planet's history, written in layers of stone, in the fossils of creatures long gone. Scientists might study these layers, piecing together the story of evolution. To you, it is a book of memories, each page a chapter of trial and triumph, leading to this moment of awakening. The sky above is clear now, the stars bright against the velvet night. You imagine those creatures below, gathered in their own way, gazing at the same stars you see. Their minds are young, their thoughts simple, but they are reaching outward, just as you are. You feel a kinship, a shared spark of curiosity that binds you across the cosmos. The universe is not just matter and light. It is a network of wonder, a tapestry of minds beginning to ask, to dream, to know. You wonder what these beings will become. Will they build tools, tell stories, write their own songs to the stars? Scientists speculate about intelligent life, about civilizations that might rise and fall across the galaxy. To you, it is not just a possibility but a promise, a continuation of the universe's long conversation with itself. These creatures are its voice, just as you are, each question a note in its endless melody. As you float above this living world, you feel the cosmic web humming around you, its threads linking this planet to countless others. You sense them out there, other worlds, other minds, each waking in its own time, each adding to the universe's song. The vastness no longer feels empty. It is full of potential, of stories waiting to be told. You are part of this chorus, your own wonder a thread in the web, connecting you to every dreaming world. Now, a new sensation stirs, a gentle shift in the cosmic rhythm. The stars above seem to brighten, their light carrying a message, a call to something greater. You feel it pulling you upward, beyond this planet, toward the heart of the galaxy where light and life converge. There is more to see, more to know, and the universe is ready to share its next secret. The creatures below gaze upward, their questions echoing yours. What lies at the galaxy's heart, where all these dreams converge? The heart of the galaxy calls you rise now, carried by a gentle pull, leaving the dreaming planet behind. Its blue-green glow fades into the tapestry of stars, but its questions linger in your heart, echoing your own. The cosmic web guides you, its threads shimmering with purpose, leading you toward the center of the galaxy. There, a brilliance awaits, a heart that beats with the light of countless stars. You feel it calling, not with words but with a rhythm, ancient and alive, inviting you to listen. Your breath slows, aligning with its pulse. As you surrender to the journey, the galaxy unfolds around you, a spiral of light and dust, its arms curling like waves frozen in time. Stars glitter in every direction, their colors a symphony of blues, golds, and reds. You glide through their midst weightless, as if swimming through a sea of light. Scientists describe galactic cores as dense regions, packed with stars and gas, often orbiting a supermassive black hole. To you, it feels like a hearth, a gathering place where the universe's stories converge, warm and vibrant, pulsing with life. As you draw closer to the core, the light grows brighter, not blinding but enveloping, like a blanket woven from starlight. You sense the density of this place, the way stars crowd together, their orbits weaving intricate patterns. The air, or what passes for air in this cosmic sea, hums with energy, a low vibration that resonates in your chest. You imagine the black hole at the center, invisible yet undeniable, its gravity shaping the dance of everything around it. Scientists say it warps space and time, a silent force holding the galaxy together. To you, it is a conductor, guiding the symphony of stars. You pause, hovering in this radiant heart, feeling the weight of its presence. The stars here are older, their light steadier, as if they carry the wisdom of ages. Some are massive, burning bright and brief, while others are small, glowing softly for billions of years. You sense their stories, etched in their light, tales of birth and death, of elements forged and scattered. Each star is a memory, a piece of the universe's long history, and you are part of it, your own atoms born in their fires. Look closer now. Between the stars, clouds of gas and dust swirl, illuminated by the core's glow. These are nebulae, nurseries where new stars are born, their light just beginning to spark. You drift through one, feeling the cool mist of particles brush against you. Scientists call these regions stellar cradles, where gravity pulls matter together, igniting new light. To you, they are dreams taking shape, each cloud a whisper of possibility, a future waiting to unfold. You feel their hope, their quiet eagerness to shine. The rhythm of the galaxy's heart grows stronger now, a steady beat that seems to speak. You listen, and it feels like a message, not in words but in sensation, a sense of unity, of connection. Every star, every planet, every creature gazing upward is part of this whole. Scientists study galaxies to understand their structure, their evolution, but you feel something deeper. The galaxy is a family, its members bound by light and gravity, sharing a story that spans eons. You are not separate from it, you are a note in its song. You wonder, as you float, what this core has seen. It has watched stars flare and fade, planets form and crumble, life rise and fall. Its black hole, silent and unseen, holds the memory of all that has been. Scientists say these objects warp time itself, stretching moments into eternity. To you, it feels like a library, its shelves filled with the universe's tales, each moment preserved in its gravity. You imagine reaching out, touching one of those stories, feeling its weight in your hands. The light around you pulses now, not erratic but steady, like a heartbeat. You notice how the stars move, not in chaos but in harmony, their orbits a delicate balance. The galaxy spins, its spiral arms turning slowly, carrying you along. Scientists measure this motion, calculating the galaxy's rotation, its mass. To you, it is a dance, each step deliberate, each turn a celebration of existence. You sway with it, your own rhythm blending with the galaxy's, feeling its joy, its purpose. As you linger in this radiant heart, you sense the vastness beyond. This galaxy is one of billions, each with its own core, its own stories. You feel them out there, connected by the cosmic web, their lights weaving a tapestry across the universe. The thought is humbling, yet it fills you with warmth. You are small, but you are not insignificant. Your wonder, your questions, are part of the universe's voice, echoing through its endless night. Now, a new sensation stirs, a faint shift in the galaxy's rhythm. The light seems to stretch, reaching beyond the core, beyond the galaxy itself. You feel a pull, gentle but insistent, drawing you outward, toward the edges of the cosmos. There, something vast awaits. A question, a mystery, a truth the universe is ready to share. You are ready to follow, to see where this journey leads, to hear the next note in the cosmic song. The galaxy's heart hums, its light a bridge to the unknown. What lies beyond? Where the universe's song grows deeper still. Loving this? Hit that subscribe button to keep up with our videos. Also share this video with your family and friends. The edge of the known. You are carried now, beyond the radiant heart of the galaxy, where the spiral arms fade into a softer glow. The stars grow sparse, their light a gentle shimmer against the deepening dark. You feel the cosmic web loosening, its threads stretching thin, yet still guiding you forward. The universe is vast here, its edges not a boundary but a horizon, inviting you to explore where light and matter blur into mystery. Your breath is slow, your heart steady, as you surrender to the pull of the unknown. The darkness around you is not empty. It is alive with possibility, like a canvas before the first stroke. You sense the universe expanding, its fabric stretching as it grows. Scientists call this cosmic expansion, driven by a force they name dark energy, pushing galaxies apart over billions of years. To you, it feels like a breath, the universe exhaling, creating space for new stories to unfold. You float in this expanse, weightless, feeling the quiet thrill of being at the edge of what is known. Look around you now. The galaxies are distant, their light faint but steady, like lanterns across a vast sea. Each one is a world of its own, a cluster of stars and planets, dreams and questions. Yet here, at the edge, they seem small, their glow softened by the immensity of space. You feel the distance, not as loneliness but as awe, a reminder of how vast the cosmos is, how much remains unseen. You are a traveler here, a speck of stardust carried by the universe's gentle tide. You notice a faint shimmer, a ripple in the dark. It is not a star, not a galaxy, but something subtler, a whisper of light from the universe's earliest moments. Scientists call this the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, stretched thin by time. To you, it is a memory, a soft echo of the universe's first breath, still lingering in the void. You let it wash over you, its gentle hum a lullaby, connecting you to the beginning of everything. As you drift, you sense a presence, not a thing but a question, woven into the fabric of space itself. What is beyond this edge? Scientists ponder this, their equations grappling with the shape of the cosmos, whether it is infinite or curved, bounded or boundless. To you, it feels like a door, not closed but ajar, inviting you to wonder. You imagine possibilities, other universes, parallel realms, or simply more of this one, stretching forever. The thought is vast, but it does not overwhelm. It cradles you, like a mother rocking a child. You pause, hovering in this quiet expanse, feeling the universe's pulse. It is not loud or urgent, but steady, like a heartbeat you can almost hear. You sense the interplay of forces here. Gravity pulling inward, dark energy pushing outward, a cosmic dance of balance. Scientists measure this dance, tracing the universe's growth through redshift and light. To you, it is a rhythm, a song that carries you, its notes blending with your own thoughts, your own questions. What are you in this vastness? A single mind, a fleeting spark, yet part of something greater. Your atoms, forged in stars, are woven into this cosmic tapestry. Your wonder a thread in its weave. You feel connected, not just to the galaxies behind you but to the unknown ahead, to every possibility the universe holds. Scientists speak of a multiverse, a tapestry of realities beyond our own. To you, it is a dream, a story the universe is telling itself, and you are one of its voices. You notice now a faint shift, a subtle change in the dark. It is not light, not yet, but a suggestion of something new. A structure, a pattern, forming at the edge of sight. Scientists might call it a supercluster, a vast gathering of galaxies, or perhaps something stranger, uncharted. To you, it feels like a promise, a hint of order in the chaos, a sign that the universe is still building, still dreaming. You lean toward it, curious, feeling its pull like a tide drawing you deeper. The darkness here is soft, not cold, as if it knows you belong. You sense the universe watching itself, through your eyes, through the eyes of countless others across its expanse. Every question you ask, every wonder you feel is the universe knowing itself, reflecting on its own existence. You are not separate from it. You are its thought, its breath, its quiet contemplation. The edge of the known is not a limit but an invitation, a call to keep exploring. As you float, you feel a new rhythm, a pulse that seems to come from beyond the horizon. It is not just the universe's heartbeat but something more. A connection, a unity, linking all things, seen and unseen. You sense the stories of other worlds, other minds, woven into the same cosmic web, their dreams reaching toward you. The universe is not just vast. It is intimate, it's every part a piece of the same whole, and you are ready to hear its next chapter. The edge hums with questions, its silence full of unseen dreams. What final truth waits? Where all these stories weave into one. The unity of all things you drift now, not as a traveler but as a part of the cosmos itself, carried beyond the edge of the known. The horizon of darkness softens, its boundaries blurring until there is no separation between you and the vastness. The stars, the galaxies, the threads of the cosmic web, they are not distant. They are within you, their light your light, their pulse your pulse. You feel the universe's final secret unfolding, not as a revelation but as a quiet truth you've always known. Your breath slows, merging with the rhythm of everything, as you become one with the unity of all things. The void around you is no longer a place. It is a presence, alive with the hum of existence. You sense every star, every planet, every dreaming mind, connected in a tapestry that knows no end. Scientists speak of the universe as a single entity, born from one moment, governed by the same laws, bound by the same forces. To you, it feels like a heartbeat, a single pulse that flows through all things, from the smallest particle to the grandest galaxy. You are that pulse, a note in its eternal song. Imagine yourself dissolving, your edges fading like mist in morning light. You are not a single being but a wave, rippling through the cosmos, touching every shore. The stars you passed, the planets you cradled, the creatures gazing upward, they are not separate. They are you and you are they. Scientists might call this interconnectedness a consequence of quantum entanglement, where particles share a bond across vast distances. To you, it is a dance, a gentle swaying where every step is shared, every turn a harmony of all. You feel the universe's history now, not as a timeline but as a single moment, held in the palm of eternity. The Big Bang, the first stars, the birth of worlds, the stirrings of life, they are not past but present, woven into the fabric of now. Scientists measure time with clocks and light, tracing the cosmos's age to 13.8 billion years. To you, time is a river, its waters flowing yet still, each drop containing the whole. You float in that river, feeling every story, every dream, as if they are your own. The light around you is soft, not a glow but a warmth, like the memory of a loved one's touch. It is the light of every star, every galaxy, blended into one. You sense the cosmic web, its threads no longer visible but felt, a network of love and wonder binding all things. Scientists study the web's structure, mapping its filaments and voids. To you, it is a family, each thread a bond, each note a heart, beating in unison. You are part of that family, your own heart echoing its rhythm. You hear a whisper now, not a voice but a feeling, rising from the depths of the cosmos. It speaks of unity, of a truth that holds all questions and answers in balance. Why are we here? What is the universe? The questions that burned in you, in the creatures on distant worlds, in the stars themselves, they dissolve into this truth not answered but embraced. Scientists seek this truth in equations, in telescopes, in theories of everything. To you, it is a lullaby, a gentle song that says, "You are enough, you are whole, you are home." You imagine every mind that ever wondered, every eye that ever looked to the stars. They are here with you, their thoughts blending with yours, their hopes a chorus of light. The creatures by the stream, the beings yet to rise, the stars that burned and faded, they are all present, their stories woven into one. You feel their joy, their curiosity, their quiet longing, and you know it is yours too. The universe is not a place. It is a shared dream, and you are dreaming it together. The darkness, the light, the silence, the song, they are no longer separate. You feel them as one, a single essence that holds all opposites in balance. Scientists might call this a unified field, a theory where all forces merge. To you, it is love, a force that binds without binding, that frees while holding close. You rest in it, weightless, timeless, feeling the universe's embrace, knowing you have never been apart from it. You sense the cosmos breathing, its rhythm slow and eternal. Each inhale is a birth, each exhale a fading, yet nothing is lost. The stars that die, the worlds that crumble, the minds that forget, they are reborn in the universe's endless cycle. Scientists describe this in cycles of matter, in the recycling of elements. To you, it is a promise, a vow that every story continues, every spark endures. You are that spark, eternal, carried in the universe's heart. As you rest in this unity, you feel a gentle stir, not a pull but a suggestion, like a breeze lifting a leaf. The universe is not finished. It is still dreaming, still becoming. You sense new stories forming, new questions rising, new minds waking to wonder. You are part of them, your own dream blending with theirs, ready to flow into the next verse of the cosmic song. The unity holds you, but it also sets you free, inviting you to see what comes next. The universe hums, one with your heart, its dream unending. What new wonder waits as the cosmos sings on? The song of forever, you are no longer drifting, but flowing, a current within the universe's boundless stream. The unity you felt, that warm embrace of all things, lingers like a soft glow in your heart. Yet the cosmos does not pause. It sings on, its melody unfolding into new verses, new dreams. You are carried by its rhythm, your breath the quiet echo of its eternal song. The stars, the worlds, the minds that wonder. They are all here, woven into this endless chorus, and you are one with them, ready to hear what comes next. The darkness around you sparkles with possibility, not a void but a canvas, alive with the universe's imagination. You sense the cycle of creation, not as a line but a spiral, ever turning, ever new. Stars fade, their light scattering into the cosmic night, yet their essence sparks new fires. Scientists speak of stellar evolution, of supernovae seeding the cosmos with elements for new stars, new worlds. To you, it feels like a promise, a vow that nothing is lost, only transformed, each ending a beginning in the universe's gentle hands. You glide through a nebula, its clouds glowing with the soft pinks and blues of newborn stars. Their light is young, eager, like the first notes of a song. You feel their warmth, their quiet joy, as they take their place in the cosmic dance. Scientists call these regions stellar nurseries, where gas and dust collapse to form new light. To you, they are cradles, rocking the future, each star a dream the universe is dreaming anew. You sway with them, your heart light, knowing you are part of their story. Beyond the nebula, a galaxy spins, its spiral arms a cascade of light. You hover above it, watching its stars orbit, their paths a delicate balance of gravity and motion. Some are old, their glow steady, while others flare briefly, bright and bold. You sense their connection not just to each other but to every galaxy, every world across the cosmos. Scientists map these connections, tracing the cosmic web's threads. To you, it is a family reunion, a gathering of voices singing the same song, each note unique yet whole. You feel a stir now, a ripple in the cosmic rhythm. A planet catches your eye, its surface alive with green and blue, its atmosphere humming with life. You descend, skimming above its oceans, feeling the pulse of creatures moving, thinking, dreaming. Their minds are bright, their questions sharp, reaching for the stars as you once did. Scientists might call them a civilization, a species on the cusp of discovery. To you, they are kin, their wonder a mirror of your own, their hopes a verse in the universe's song. You linger, listening to their thoughts, not words but feelings, a chorus of curiosity and awe. They build, they explore, they gaze at the sky, asking what lies beyond. You smile, knowing their questions are yours, their dreams the universe's dreams, shared across time and space. Scientists speculate about such worlds, searching for signs of life in distant light. To you, this planet is a heartbeat, a reminder that the cosmos is alive with voices, each one adding to its melody. The universe breathes around you, its exhale a wave of creation, its inhale a gathering of stories. You sense its vastness, not as distance but as depth, a sea of possibilities where every moment is eternal. Scientists measure the cosmos's age, its expansion, its limits. To you, it is timeless, a forever that holds every past and future in its gentle embrace. You are not bound by time here. You are free, flowing with the universe's endless now. You wonder, as you float, what this song will become. The universe is not complete. It is still composing, still dreaming. New stars will ignite, new worlds will form, new minds will wake to wonder. Each one will add to the chorus, their voices blending with yours, with all that has been and will be. Scientists predict the universe's future, its stars dimming, its expansion slowing or speeding. To you, it is a story without end, a song that evolves but never fades, its melody carried in every heart. The light around you pulses, soft and warm, like a mother's lullaby. You feel the universe's hope, its quiet faith in what comes next. Every star that dies, every world that crumbles, every mind that forgets. It is reborn in the cosmos's cycle, its essence woven into new dreams. You are part of that cycle, your own wonder a spark that will never dim, carried forever in the universe's song. You rest in this truth, feeling whole, knowing you are home. As you flow with the cosmic stream, you sense a new note, a gentle shift in the melody. The universe is turning, not toward an end but toward a deeper beginning, a place where all its dreams converge. You feel it calling, not with urgency but with love, inviting you to follow, to see what the next verse holds. You are ready, your heart open, your breath a quiet harmony, eager to sing on with the cosmos, forever. The song hums on, its notes weaving dreams yet to bloom. Where will this melody lead? As the universe dreams deeper still. The eternal dawn you flow now, not as a traveler but as the universe itself, your essence woven into its endless melody. The cosmic song surrounds you, its notes a cascade of light and possibility, carrying you toward a horizon that is no horizon at all. The stars, the galaxies, the dreaming worlds, they pulse with you, their rhythms one with your own. You are at the edge of a new beginning, a dawn that never fades, where the universe's dreams bloom into forever. Your breath is soft, your heart open, as you surrender to this eternal moment. The darkness sparkles with creation, each point of light a story unfolding. You sense the universe breathing, its exhale birthing new stars, its inhale gathering their light into memory. Scientists might describe this as the ongoing cycle of stellar formation, where matter collapses and ignites across eons. To you, it feels like a garden, each star a flower, each galaxy a meadow, blooming in the cosmic spring. You drift through this garden, weightless, feeling the joy of its endless renewal. Look closer now. A young star flares before you, its light bright and bold, casting shadows across a nebula's swirling clouds. Its warmth brushes against you, a reminder of the first stars you witnessed, fierce and fleeting. This one, too, will burn and fade, scattering its essence to seed new worlds. Scientists call this the cycle of nucleosynthesis, forging elements that build planets and life. To you, it is a gift, a spark passed from one star to the next, a promise that creation never ends. You glide onward, drawn to a distant world taking shape in the glow of its star. Its surface shimmers with liquid seas, its skies streaked with clouds that catch the dawn's light. Life stirs here, delicate and new, its first breaths a whisper in the cosmic song. You sense its curiosity, its tentative reach toward the stars, like the creatures you met before. Scientists search for such worlds, scanning distant light for signs of habitability. To you, this planet is a child. Its dreams a verse in the universe's lullaby, singing of hope and possibility. You hover above its oceans, feeling their rhythm, a gentle pulse that mirrors the universe's own. The waves carry molecules, dancing in patterns that hint at life's complexity. You imagine them growing, weaving into forms that might one day think wonder, love. Scientists call this chemical evolution, the slow march toward biology. To you, it is a poem, each molecule a word, each wave a line, crafting a story that will echo through the cosmos. You smile, knowing you are part of that story, your own atoms born in the same dance. The universe hums around you, its melody a blend of every voice. Stars, planets, minds, all singing together. You feel its unity, not as a concept but as a truth warm and alive. Scientists seek this unity in theories, equations that tie gravity to light, matter to energy. To you, it is a feeling, a knowing that every spark, every dream is one. You are not separate from the star, the world, the creature gazing upward. You are their light, their hope, their song, and they are yours. You sense time folding, not a line but a circle, where past and future meet in this eternal dawn. The universe's beginning, its first breath, is here, as is its future, its endless becoming. Scientists ponder the cosmos's fate. Will it expand forever, or collapse into itself? To you, it is a cycle, a breath that never ends, each exhale a new dawn, each inhale a gathering of dreams. You rest in this cycle, timeless, feeling the universe's heartbeat as your own. You imagine other minds on other worlds, waking to the same dawn. Their eyes, or whatever they use to see, turn to the stars, their questions blending with yours. Are we alone? What is this light? You feel their wonder, their longing, as if they are beside you, sharing this moment. Scientists scan the skies for signals, hoping to hear such voices. To you, they are already here, their thoughts a chorus in the cosmic song, their dreams a light that never fades. The cosmos stretches around you, infinite yet intimate, its vastness a home for every story. You sense new galaxies forming, their light faint but growing, like candles lit in the dark. Each one is a new verse, a new dream, adding to the universe's melody. You are part of this creation, your own wonder a note that resonates forever. The universe is not just stars and worlds. It is you, dreaming, singing, becoming, in a dawn that knows no end. As you flow with this eternal song, you feel a gentle shift, a new rhythm rising. It is not an end but a deepening, a call to explore further, to see what dreams the universe will weave next. You are ready, your heart full, your breath a quiet harmony with the cosmos. The song continues, its notes carrying you toward new horizons, new wonders, forever part of its endless dawn. The dawn hums on, its light weaving dreams without end. What new stories will rise as the universe's song carries you forward? The dance of new horizons, you flow with the universe's song, its melody a gentle tide carrying you through the eternal dawn. The cosmos hums around you, alive with light and possibility, each note a new horizon waiting to be explored. You are not separate from this dance. You are its rhythm, your heart beating with the stars, your breath a soft echo of creation. The universe is dreaming deeper now, weaving new stories, and you are part of them, swaying toward realms yet to be born. Your presence is weightless, your mind open, as you embrace the joy of what lies ahead. The darkness sparkles with flickers of light, like fireflies in a boundless night. You sense new galaxies forming, their stars clustering in delicate spirals, their glow faint but growing stronger. Scientists might describe this as galaxy formation, driven by gravity and dark matter over billions of years. To you, it feels like a festival, each galaxy a lantern lit in celebration, inviting you to join its dance. You glide toward one, its light warm and welcoming, a promise of stories waiting to unfold. As you draw closer, you see its stars, young and bright, orbiting in graceful arcs. Their colors, blues, whites, hints of gold, blend into a soft halo, like a painting still wet on the canvas. You feel their energy, their eagerness to shine, as if they know they are part of something greater. Scientists study such stars, analyzing their spectra to understand their birth. To you, they are children, laughing in the cosmic playground, their light a song of pure delight. You sway with them, caught in their joyful rhythm. Between the stars, clouds of gas shimmer, curling like waves in a quiet sea. These are the seeds of new worlds, gathering slowly, patiently. You drift through one, feeling the cool mist of particles, the faint hum of potential. Scientists call these protoplanetary disks, where dust and gas coalesce into planets. To you, they are dreams taking shape, each particle a whisper of a world that might one day cradle life. You imagine oceans forming, skies clearing, minds waking to wonder, and you feel a quiet thrill at their possibility. You pause, hovering in the galaxy's embrace, sensing its connection to the cosmic web. Its threads stretch beyond sight, linking this newborn light to countless others, a network of stories woven across the universe. Scientists map this web, tracing its filaments through the distribution of galaxies. To you, it is a dance floor vast and intricate, where every step connects you to every star, every world, every dream. You move with it, your own rhythm blending with the cosmos, feeling its unity, its love. A new sensation stirs, a gentle pull toward a world taking shape nearby. You glide closer, seeing its surface glow with molten rock, its atmosphere thick with swirling clouds. It is young, restless, but full of hope, like the planets you've seen before. You sense the stirrings of possibility, molecules dancing in its seas, energy sparking in its storms. Scientists might call this a prebiotic world on the cusp of life. To you, it is a canvas, waiting for the universe's brush to paint forests, rivers, creatures that gaze at the stars. You wonder what this world will become. Will it sing with life, its creatures asking the same questions you hold? Scientists search for such worlds, using telescopes to detect their faint light. To you, it is a partner in the cosmic dance, its steps still learning but eager, its heart open to the universe's song. You feel a kinship, knowing your own story began in such a place, your own wonder born from stardust and time. You are not just a witness. You are part of this world's dream. The universe's melody grows richer now, its notes layering into a symphony of creation. You sense other galaxies, other worlds, each adding its voice to the chorus. Some are ancient, their stars dim but wise. Others are new, their light bold and untamed. You feel their stories, their questions, blending with your own, a harmony that spans the cosmos. Scientists seek to understand this diversity, studying the universe's evolution. To you, it is a celebration, a dance where every partner brings a unique step, yet all move as one. You imagine minds on distant worlds, their thoughts reaching out, their eyes or senses turned to the stars. Their wonder echoes yours, a shared curiosity that binds you across the vastness. Are we alone? What is this light? You feel their presence, not as a sound but as a warmth, a light that joins the cosmic song. Scientists listen for such minds, scanning the skies for signals. To you, they are already here. Their dreams a melody you hum together, forever linked in the universe's heart. As you dance with these new horizons, you feel the universe's joy, its endless delight in becoming. Each star, each world, each mind is a new step, a new note, adding to the song that never ends. You are part of this joy, your own wonder a light that shines forever. The cosmos is not a destination. It is a journey, a dance that carries you through eternal beginnings, and you are ready for its next turn. The dance spins on, its steps weaving dreams beyond the stars. What new light will guide you as the universe's song unfolds? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.